Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Eastin-Arcola School in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District, home of the Wildcats. This is my third time getting to come and share my heart with the students and staff, the parents later tonight as well for the family night. But the student assemblies that we had today right here in the cafeteria focused on positivity. The sub-theme, which you see on the screen, was be your best self, right? That we can always maintain a positive attitude each and every day. With everyone that we meet and everywhere that we go. We can also know that days like today, it's sunny out here in Madera. It's easier to be positive on days when the sun is shining and weather's beautiful, but on days when it's kind of cloudy, rainy, not the best conditions, yeah, it's a little bit easier to have a negative attitude. But the same thing goes with storms maybe in here, in our hearts. So yes, it's not always easy to always have that positive mentality, but it's something that we can kind of train our brain to keep focusing on and see the benefits of doing so, right? And so, all the grades TK through 8 that we got to interact with for the student sessions, they really took it to heart. This idea that no matter what we go through, have gone through, will go through, we can still keep this positivity in our mind. Whatever we tell our brain and our heart, it's going to believe. We don't want to tell it something negative. We want to replace any negative thoughts or doubts or beliefs with something more positive, right? And then make that a healthy habit of being kind to our mind. And we also know that, when those tough situations, those difficult situations come, there are opportunities that can make us stronger if we let them, right? That's why I wear this shirt for this particular program. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. So if you're looking down or feeling sad, it's a reminder to always keep your head up, to think positive no matter what, right? That we don't give up, that we keep pushing, we keep persevering. We know that the opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting or giving up, right? That true excellence, it's really not about being the best, right? It's about doing your best, right? That we always just give our greatest effort, and we also know that we have control over that effort, not sometimes the outcome. But if we're giving 100%, trying our hardest, usually 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, we're going to get the results that we want, right? And that's powerful to think about, right? So if we can really just try to shift that focus, that angle of vision, to really want to think more positively, knowing that we keep giving our all and everywhere in our lives, with everyone in our lives. That was really the gist and the center piece of what I was trying to impress upon them for the student programs. And that tied into the family night, which was on leadership, passion to purpose, that we know that we are passionate about certain things. We're really good at certain things, our gifts, our talents, our abilities. We can go start using those to help others, right? And that becomes our purpose of why we're even here on this planet. But of course, we have to be thinking positively to go and want to help others, right? And know about the impact that it not only has on us to feel good to do something for someone else, putting people first and things second, but also making a priority of what really matters, right? And what the core of every assembly that I give, the concept that I always bring up again and again, is the fact that we're all true miracles, right? So we see that in ourselves and others. With the lines on our hand, all of us have the letter M. I trace one of mine here again. And that M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe that and buy into it, now we can go be that light to someone else's heart, right? Be those leaders, those positive leaders that this world desperately needs. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day here at Eastin-Arcola. Hope to be back again soon. Until then, though, just keep being those amazing, shining, positive people that I know you can be for this earth. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.